Question 11.2.3. So just a recap for 11.2, we're given the word decimal, and we're going to be randomly arranging the letters of decimal into another word that is also of 7 letters of length. So in 11.2.3, this is a bit more complicated than the previous two, 11.2.1 and 11.2.2, and that's reflected by obviously the higher mark count. And the question reads as follows: the arrangement must start with a vowel and end in a consonant, and no repetition of letters is allowed. Okay, so let's just first write down decimal, and I'm going to write it down a bit bigger here. Okay, and then I'm just going to underline all the vowels. So E is a vowel, A is a vowel, I is a vowel. And so the rest are consonants. So underlined in red, I have our consonants. Okay, so the question says that the arrangement must start with a vowel. Okay, so there's only 3 vowels, which means that for our first letter, we only have 3 options. So we have 3 options. And then before I get to the body, would you say, of the letters, let's look at the last letter. The last letter must be a consonant. Okay, so for our consonants, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 options. So there's 4 options for the last letter. Okay, so now let's imagine we've chosen one vowel and we've chosen one consonant. Let's say that the vowel we have is I, so I is gone. This is hypothetical. It could be E or A. And let's say the consonant we chose could be D. Okay, so what do we have remaining? Well, there's no restriction on the rest of the letters that we choose. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters remaining, but they cannot be repeated. So that simply turns out to be 5. So we have 5 options for the second letter. So let's say our second letter was E. Now we only have 4 options, 3 options, 2 options, 1 option. Okay, and that is equal to 1,440.